parish of Hanover is home to some of the finest hotels in the world, which are well known in hospitality and tourism circles for having the most accomplished culinary staff members. Mixology, the art of drink making, has always been a critical component of the hospitality industry. In every hotel, the favorite place for guests is usually the bar, and the bartender, the mixologist, is the employee who happens to be in most cases the big star. The town of Lucea has produced many bartenders who have excelled nationally and internationally, among them Denton, Kent of Haughton Court. But Winston Marks, also known as Cholo, is the Great Alpha of Hanoverian mixology.
Been in the tourism industry from 1989. Was one of the world's greatest bartender mixologists. Was taught by Mr. Henry Gardner, otherwise known as Jibo. Otherwise, he had a next teacher named Vivian Adams. He used to call me Liquor Willie in a back in them days. Enter bartender commission, culinary art, jury, and every mixology commission. Was a star. Still a star, and always been a star.
In the 1980s and 1990s, there was an influx of young men from Hanover and Westmoreland who, after leaving high school at 17 or 18, would enter the working world permanently or work for a short period to save money for college. And so, many gravitated to the hotels in Negril, the capital of casual. Their occupation of choice usually was to be a bartender.
I'm from Lucea. Was growing up in first I went to Rusty's High School. First I've been to Lucea Primary, then I went to Rusty's High School and graduated 88. And that's about it. And actually from there I used to own my own business space. Marks Ice Cream Parlor and Beacon Mall. Everybody used to love Cholo Burger and love Cholo Mixer. Because I used to blend drinks up there, Staggerback, Fairway, Kalangback. And people always crowd it, and especially weekends, I don't have hand to serve. Because people always want a Staggerback or then Fairway. It's a drink which I mix up my own concoction, which give it a go, give it extra mile to make it to go the extra mile.
Okay.
It's all about life.
So after you left school, you went into hospitality, you went into to work in tourism?
Most definitely.
Where you went? Swept away?
I went to Swept Away. 3 years, 9 months in Swept Away. And I left Swept Away. I went to Pine Village Hotel. I worked at Pine Village for 3 years. Then I met in an accident from there. Before I leave Pine Village, I met in an accident there. And I was supposed to leave, resign. I resigned my job. Was supposed to go on a ship Monday and Friday evening. I crashed on a bike. Was in hospital and cancer for 6 months. So there's a mercy I got while I'm still alive, while I'm still here, but I can still do my thing. After that, I own my own business space. My life has been ups and downs because I own a business space for a couple of years. Well, based on the precaution fund plan thing, it's kind of messed up and run everything back. I do my own thing. I make bonnets and sell superheated top marks and all those stores in Montgomery. The bonnet is what the ladies use to wear the hair, cover their hair like braid ears. So forth.
So you knew how to sew all along?
Most definitely.
Where you learned to sew? At Rusty's?
Not at the school. My mother taught me how to do.
Oh, okay. And then you do like freelance bartending because you're here today?
Most definitely. And whenever spring break come around, they generally call me whether to do showmanship, bartendership at Risky Business, Margarita or Legend. Okay. Basically, I work at Legend most of the time because I make more money there. When I put 2 bottles of liquor on my finger, I spin it, I get a lot of money for that. Like bottle dropping behind me, can't fly off, you don't even know how the bottle can't fly off. If it's an occasion, I will definitely do it today.
Okay,
so
good.
You see my real status.
Yes. You've entered competitions for Swept Away.
For Swept Away.
Tell us about that. You went overseas and so forth.
I went overseas to present Swept Away in All Island Bartender Commission at the Grand Hotel in Michigan. Was placed first.
You remember what year that was?
1989, I think. Yeah.
Okay. What do you enjoy most about bartending? But what you like? What do you like?
What I like about the bartender thing?
Yes.
Just to meet the people and to serve the guests and to mix, because I'm a specialist in the mixologist role. You have to have a pleasant look at all time. Be courteous, be polite, and always make sure you always have a smile.
So you plan to do like teach any young people how
Well,
to?
therefore, definitely I'll do so. And the individual, I teach quite a few people. That I get job for at Swept Away Hotel.
A bartender in the hospitality sector means they would be trained as mixologists, focusing on cocktails with an emphasis on creating unique or new drinks, as opposed to simply making classic ones or just pouring beer, wine, and mixed drinks. So, all mixologists are bartenders, but not all bartenders are mixologists. Even though bartenders are usually entry-level employees, they have the distinction of being among the employees held in high regard by tourists, whether they be dryland or foreign tourists.
What's your favorite?
Upside down. Upside down I like to make.
What's upside down? What's in it?
Upside down is pina colada and strawberry mix. Half and half.
Oh,
You top it with blue curacao.
okay. That's your favorite.
Most definitely.
Okay, and what's your favorite smoothie to make?
Mango colada.
Yeah, pick up some people from Lucy.
Big up some people, photo when they get married today. Boodle up top. That's the boy otherwise known as photo, you see it?
Are your favorite footballer?
I mean, long time back in the days. I mean, links to my brother and because I mean, family, everything in a one. Better enough, Greg, the whole Dallas crew, I'm links and my friend them, Greg Samuels, and Greg used to go to school together.
Are you cheer for them in a football?
Most definitely, when Legend was around,
Yeah.
Melo, the Elzo,
Yeah.
was a big star,
Yeah.
big dog, Bobowski.